How to fix Snapchat add friends not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Snapchat add friend option not working. Now, the first reason that you might not be able to add someone is because they have blocked you. Now, if someone has blocked you, you'll not be able to view the profile or add them again. Now, this might be the issue, but if you're not able to add anybody, then it might just be a glitch or a bug. Now, to fix this issue, head into your App Store or Play Store and search for Snapchat. If you are on Play Store, you'll get an interface like this, and make sure your app is updated to the latest version of the app. Lots of bugs and glitches or error appear when your app isn't updated to the latest version. So head into the Play Store, and if your app isn't updated, you'll get the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. However, if your app is updated and you're still getting the issue, then you might want to reset your app. Now, to do so, scroll down your notification bar and head into settings icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen. Now, once on settings, scroll all the way down below and head into apps. Now you can see the apps option here. Now you can either scroll down and search for Snapchat, or you can simply search from search bar here. I'll search from search bar and head into Snapchat, and if you scroll down below, you'll find the option stories. Now before that, at the bottom right corner of your screen, you can find the option force stop. Now tap on force stop and force it to stop, and once you do this, head into storage and clear your data. Now confirm to clear your data, and once you do this, your app will get resetted. Now what this does is it's as good as uninstalling and reinstalling the app back again without actually doing so. So do it and restart your device and head into Snapchat again, log into your account, and you should be able to add back again. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.